Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Just thought I would show wild peas. A wild pea bush. Sorry. Oh. I thought I could. The vibes just changed in here because the weather's also a calm day. There's been hardly any wind. All of a sudden the wind's just got up. But down here where I am, it's not windy. It's up in the trees. I'll try and show the trees. It's really weird. I just all of a sudden I just heard it whoosh through. That's pretty awesome. But I could sense that there was something changing anyway. Anyway, back to this. Wild peas. It's pretty cool. I'm going to let this one roll. This one might be a wee bit longer. I'm going to walk up the trail. I'm doing this on horizontal, so I've not got my stick with me. I want it to be hands-free as possible. It is so humid because the sweat is just literally pouring off of me. Anyway, keep going up the trail. Pathway blocked. What the heck? I've got a sneaky feeling this is where I heard that dodgy stuff. So it's not just this one. Just keep going. Oh, the vibe's just changed. What the heck? They're big logs. Huh. It's been recent as well. That's at least about 70 to 80 kilos. Something wasn't happy. That's insane. That's pretty recent. There's another one. So this is, yep. Oh, this is where that's nuts. I definitely wasn't like this the last time I was here. It's been a while since I've been here, but I just thought I would. The wind changed when I was, because there was no wind. Yeah, that's someone shooting. That's close. Someone's shooting down there. It's broad daylight as well. Well, I did come across that sign saying danger, enter at your own risk. There's the logs. So the further away one, these two are we'll keep walking, keep hearing weird things in the keep hearing things over in there. There's could be wildlife, but I've not came across any. It's only birds. Birds and the occasional squirrel. Oh, this is the pathway. Huh. We'll see what's along here. That evening one being here was pretty wild. Still here anyway. Still here. Things have been added to it. There's a couple of new ones as well. There's that one there. It comes down. I'm going to stop this one here. I don't want it running off too long. I'd rather keep them short and sweet. Came back. I didn't really actually intend to come here. I always follow my senses when I come out into these places. I don't really have a set way that I walk. I just either I follow bumblebees or the white butterflies. And the white butterflies led me up here. But the bumblebee, there's not been a bumblebee for a while. The last before the other one. Going back 2 videos ago is the last bumblebee. And that was about an hour ago. Oh. Yeah, I'm going to jump off because I've just literally seen something there. Righty. It's broad daylight. It's not even evening. It's just, if I would show this. I'm going to jump back on again. This is part 1 at this area. I'm going to jump back on again. Till then, come join me on the next one. Peace.